call this segment because I'll be doing some juicing and stuff. Maybe Fresh Fridays. Fresh Fridays, boy. Or should I do like a Wellness Wednesday? Because I want to do a vlog plus well, like fitness related, food related, wellness type situationship on a day. So it'll be 2 uploads for the week. I think I'll do Wellness Wednesdays and then my vlogs on a Sunday. So back on to Wellness Wednesday. So today I am making a green detoxing juice. So I have my apples, is 3 green apples, some ginger. No, ginger is that girl. The recipe calls for 4 cucumbers, but I do in 3, and 4 limes. You could also add mint to it if you want, as well as they say 8 stalks of celery. And there's the one they used to I bought this one, there's the imported one. I have the local one, but I need to do some research on that one. But I think I might just do 4 stalks of celery instead of the 8. It's supposed to make like a big jug. I think where I could be able to like at least get like about 3 to 4 drinks from it. I think, I'm not too sure. Everybody who I've seen that has a little bougie juicer and a boy. It's a juicer. I'll pop a jet right there. That make any wrongs this year? Yeah. So I'll see how much all of this makes for me. But yeah, that's the recipe. 3 apples. I am doing 4 stalks of celery, 3 cucumbers, 4 limes and ginger, and I may add some mint as well for the little benefits. So your girl needs to chunk all of this, and let's get into this green juice. I would like to say that's like 2 8-ounce cups and a little bit. So this should last me 2 days. Yeah, if I drink like a cup a day. Yeah. So I was get the double the ingredients to get. But remember, I only did 4 of the stalk and 3 of the cucumbers. So if I think maybe if I did the 8 stalks of celery and the 4 cucumber, I get 3 cups for sure. But yeah, so this is it here. Your de-bloat, declutter your gut green juice. Let me taste it. And then that'll be the end of this video, y'all. Bon appetit. Let's see. It is good, man. It's not sweet, it's not too sweet. The apples, they really need to do. Wasn't too much ginger, because I thought I had too much ginger. And I told you, yeah, so get into the recipe and tag me if you all make it. I'm gonna see you all in the next Wellness Wednesday.